We're at the opening night party. Okay.
Let's do our hands.
All right.
Ready?
What is this?
And we're going in a circle and then you say your name, okay? Tinkerbell. Snow White. Jasmine. Belle. Prince Harry.
Prince Eric. Ariel.
Hosea.
Okay, so.
Right, that's my girl.
Oh, I see.
Hey, you should have been Ariel.
No, he's mine.
So, can somebody please explain to me this princess?
We all have tiaras, and we're the Disney princesses.
Okay.
And decided down, like, we wanted to be the Power Rangers, but there weren't enough. So then we decided on the Disney Ninja Turtles. That didn't work. You don't have to be way too many.
I gotcha. So, can I be one?
No. Exclusive club.
Oh, actually, I talked to Maddie. Maddie said I could be Eve from WALL-E. Is that cool? She's not really a princess, but.
She's not a princess. Give me an honorary member like Leah. She's the red fairy.
Oh, gotcha. All right, we're talking about dreams now. Go ahead, Brandon. Tell us your interesting dream.
Okay, a long time ago during Pippin, I had this dream that I was like at this sort of poolside area with that really annoying concrete with little pock marks in it, and it had like this big overhanging archway thing with like wooden panels by the pool. I never actually saw the pool, but the pool was there. And so I came across Robin Hood and his merry men. Robin Hood was Meg Griffin from Family Guy, and the Merry Men was the cast of Pippin, and Raoul was doing fouettes all around in big circles. And they said, you have to go on your journey, to heaven, you have to go. And so I was like, oh geez, and they're like, Chelsea's gonna take you there. And then Chelsea shows up in her like Merry Men medieval clothes, and she opens up, and they're just like normal like plywood crappy doors. And she opens them up, and there's like this little hole. You crawl into the hole, and it's like a set. It's like fabric painted like stones. And Chelsea goes, so I don't really know. Do we go this way? I think we go this way. And I went, oh no, I'm going to hell. This dream ends up in hell. And I woke up.
Well, I feel so honored to lead you to hell.
Yeah.
All right.
It's not everyone's going to lead me to hell.
there in the answer me.
Oh, then yeah, Joey's dream. Joey's dream is a winner.
Okay. So I've been working out in Interventions for about 3 weeks, and I don't know if you're familiar, vlog people, with the Osmo show at Disney. I don't think it's there anymore. It might be, I don't know. It's a little robot, Honda, you probably find it on YouTube. Anyway, I had this dream where this robot walked off the stage, pulled out a butcher knife, and started slashing and killing people. Now, it also locked all the doors, which is really scary because Interventions, like the Haunted Mansion, has no windows and no doors. So he starts killing people. Now, part of the show is Osmo walks up and down stairs. Apparently, the robot can do that. We all freaked out because we noticed Osmo was walking down the stairs into Interventions, killing people. So we're crying out, we don't know what to do. Who comes to our rescue? The mayor of Tomorrowland, Mr. Tom Morrow. The robot on the bottom floor of Interventions. He crawls out of his hole and starts battling with the Osmo robot. I think about that time, I realized it was about time for me to take a vacation. I love Disney.
Oh God, so great. And what's the big thing that Osmo does?
He walks downstairs and kills people.
They met a polar bear. I don't know what I'm missing. They don't know why the polar bear was there, but he was there.
I don't think you need to say anything.
And the polar bear said,
Tell the whole story.
"Oh snap!"
And his laser beam pointed right at Lemongrass and Brownie. And they both shrieked. Ah! And then they died. So Teddy felt very, very horrible because he wasn't a bad android. He just didn't know how to control his powers yet. So he went off in search of the North Pole in order to help them. I mean, the North Pole would help him control his android powers. So he swam, and he swam, and he swam, and he swam the Atlantic, and he swam the Pacific, and he was fierce, and then he finally made it to the North Pole. And there is where he met all the North Poleans and Santa Claus. He met Santa Claus, and he was jolly, like a bowl full of jelly. he said, "Why, Teddy, you're not an android. You're just weird." And then he said, "Oh, I can't do
All right, here we go.
Watch.
All right, we got it.
In the 53rd Bay, in the jungle of Noor, in the heat of the day, in the cool of the Noor. Wait.
Oh, you're not on. Oh.
What up, hey? We got Andy and Matt beatboxing here at the Seussical. S-E-U-S-S-I-C-A-L.